So recently Unity has released Unity CLI tool. It's a tool which you can basically create everything with the help of command line. In this video I'll test it everything from scratch. I'll basically create a Unity project with the help of Unity CLI. After that I will connect Codex CLI with the Unity CLI, and then after we will make one small demo game, and we will see that how it is performed, what is the pros and cons of it. So without further ado, let's get dive into the video. So to install the Unity CLI, just simply type this command and click on enter button. And as you can see that Unity CLI installer is getting installed. It will take some time, and boom, it's get installed. Now next we will install Unity actually. So just simply type this command, and if you click on enter button, your Unity get actually started installing. So basically in this command what you are saying that to install Unity, the version is this and architecture is this, right? Because already in my case it's installed, I'll skip this part. Once your Unity gets installed, just to check whether it's actually installed and which version, the version which you are pointing out, it's actually installed, to see, just simply type this command and click enter button, and it will show all the recommended Unity editor, at the same time the version which you have actually installed yet, right? Now next what I'll do, I'll create a folder in the desktop itself. So for that I'll just simply type this command, and here I'm saying make directory in this particular path, desktop Unity project, and then we will switch to that particular folder as well. So we will go inside that particular folder. That is why we are typing cd desktop Unity project, and just simply type enter. And you can see, if I go to my desktop, you can see that Unity project its folder is created, and currently it's empty, right? Now I want to create a Unity project inside Unity project itself. This folder, actually the name is the Unity project folder. So our project name gonna be Codex test. So I'll just simply type this command. Here I'm saying that Unity project, new Unity project, create new Unity project. Its name gonna be Codex test. Editor version will be this, and template version will be this, and path is this, right? And if I simply click on enter button, now you can see that Unity project is getting installed. And as you can see, if I go to my Unity project folder, and inside that Unity Codex test, the Unity project name is created, and here all the files like assets, library, and the everything which is required to Unity project is there, right? So you have successfully created Unity project as well. Now let's open the Unity folder that we have created recently. For that I'll just simply type this command, and I'm saying this in this command that create the Unity project which is inside this particular path, right? And just simply click on enter button, and you can see that Unity project is getting open. Initially it can take time for the first time because all the library is getting installed, right? And as you can see that Unity project is installed, Unity project has opened. Now what we will do, to interact Unity editor with the help of Unity command line, like we can run the Unity editor, we can stop the Unity editor, so many things like that. So to achieve you can say MCP as well, we will install Unity package, Unity pipeline package. What this will do, we will basically help us to control all the editor stuff with the help of command line. So for that we'll just simply type this command and click on the enter button, and as you can see that Unity pipeline package is installed, right? So once the pipeline package get installed, what you will do, we just simply close the Unity editor, And here now we will reopen it again with the help of this command, and just simply click on enter, and you can see that Unity editor is getting installed, right? So it will reload entire package which we recently installed, right? Now let's test that our Unity package pipeline is properly working and synchronized with Unity editor itself or not. For that, I'll just simply type a command. Here I'm saying that run the Unity editor, right? If I click enter, and you can see that my Unity editor is in play mode. And if I want to stop it, I'll just simply say stop and click enter, and you can see that Unity editor gets stopped. It's quite insane, right? Now let's try whether we can create any game object with the help of command or not. So for that, I'll just simply type this command. I'm saying here that create a game object. Its name gonna be my cube, and you can change name. You can put any name here, and it will be the primitive cube type, right? I just simply enter button, and you can see it's saying result is this. And if I go to the Unity editor, and you can see that Unity like there is a cube is already attached, right? It has created successfully. So till now we have basically installed Unity CLI and Unity editor with the help of command line, and we also installed Unity pipeline package so that command line tool and Unity editor will interact each other, right? Now the next step is that I'll basically install Codex CLI, and we will interconnect between Unity CLI and Codex CLI, right? For that, before just simply installing Unity CLI, Codex CLI, we just simply give some permission access. So just simply type this command and click on enter. After that, simply type this command and click on enter. Then just simply type this command. It's just to check whether npm is basically installed successfully or not, configured successfully or not. And you can see that npm are basically installed successfully. Now finally we will install Codex CLI. So for that, for installing Codex CLI, just simply type this command and click enter button, and you can see that Codex CLI is getting installed, and it has installed. Check the version of Codex CLI. We just simply type this command and click enter, and you can see it's showing that Codex CLI version 0.147.0 is installed. So that's how you basically installed Codex CLI. Now let's log into the Codex CLI. Just simply type this command and click enter, and it will take you into the browser. You basically select the account from which you want to logged in, and click continue. And as you can see, it's showing that you are successfully logged in, right? Now what we will do, we will open our Unity project that we have created recently in Codex. For that, just simply type this command, so that we will go to the inside Codex, the Unity project which we have created. So in that folder we'll go there, and after that Codex. And as you can see, Codex terminal is showing, right? If I write something, let's see whether we are getting any error or not. Create a fuse in with the name of new key, and just simply click enter. And as you can see, it's showing an error actually, and the error is basically it's something related to the model actually. So we'll fix it. Just simply type exit. So basically the model this model, Unity Soul model, doesn't supported by Unity CLI. So what we will do, we'll simply just type this model. As you can see, our model got completely changed, right? Now we will copy the previous statement and just simply paste it, and let's see whether the error is coming again or not. Just give some permission, allow, allow, again allow. And it's saying that new cube has created, right? If I go to the Unity editor, and you can see there is another cube has been created. So we have basically connected our Unity CLI with Codex CLI, and all these are connected with our Unity editor itself. Now let's perform some exercise. We'll create a small game with the help of Unity CLI and Codex CLI, and let's see what will be the output we will see. So as you can see, finally our output has come, and if I select player versus AI, and let's see, so you can see the visualization, the visual part, the animation, everything is very quiet, insane. It also added sound by itself. So yeah, I mean, that's what you can achieve with the help of CLI. Just try it by yourself, and do let me know in the comments down below that whether you what you actually made by yourself.